Somebody is asking, how important is social media for personal branding? Social media is crucial. I don't know how else to put it, but I know that social media helps you reach people you cannot even reach on a normal day. If you are building your personal brand or you're trying to scale your business on the online space today, focusing more on blogging, and then maybe your website is no longer the market today. I'm not saying that blogging is no longer there. Blogging is there, but if you can create content on social media platforms, then link your blogs to it. It will be easier to find them because social media gives you avenue to create video. When you have a video there, people can see you regularly, just the same way you're seeing me now answering this question. So if I can see your face, relate with you, I can go far beyond that to connect with you because now I know your story, I know your face, I know your personality, I know how you speak. These are things that people can like about you. People can like the way you dress. People can like the way you speak. People can like the way you look just by virtue of your beard or your hairstyle, anything.